Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Gul Knowledge Hub. After a long time, and now I am making video for my all English learners, whether they are the beginners, whether they are at intermediate level, because this video is going to be a gift for you for 2026. Because today I am going to say you that grammar is important, but it is not very important, especially when you are at your beginner stage. So I am going to give you 15 patterns, 15 systems which will assist you to formulate sentences. For example, if you want to ask permission, how to ask the permission. If you want to say your future plans, how to say your future plans. If you want to say this is necessity and it is necessary for me, how to formulate sentences for that. First of all, the very first thing is that you have to set a positive mindset for you. What does this mean? Positive mindset means that whether you are seeing any visible improvement in your spoken skills or not, you have to practice English language daily. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it's up to you. But there shouldn't be a disconnection between you and English. It is just like friendship. It is just like relationship. If you nourish it every single day with your attention, with your continuity, with your practice, it will get strengthened. But if you are having breaks with your English language, if you are not practicing daily, if you are not revising, if you are not reading, if you are not listening, if you are not speaking, if you are not doing your practice, your strengthened relation with English language would become a weak one. So the very first thing is to take an oath that whatever, no matter the circumstances are, I would continue my journey, I would continue my practice, and I will practice all these 15 systems, 15 patterns to speak English fluently. So number 1, जब आप कहना चाहें कि मैं ये काम कर रहा हूँ, so how to say that? It means that I am plus fourth form. For example, I am speaking. You are listening. I am speaking. I am reading. I am writing. I am running. I am walking. I am sleeping. I am jumping. All these things to show that what are you doing at this very moment. Comment your comments. What are you doing? And how will you create your sentence with structure I am plus fourth form? The second pattern, the second system is I have plus noun. I have plus noun. Now it shows your possession. For example, I have a pencil. It means this is my possession. I have a laptop, I have a computer, I have a book, I have a notebook, I have a house, I have a garden, I have a car, I have a bus, I have an aeroplane, whatever is your possession. In order to show your possession, you have to say I have plus noun. I have plus noun. Now sometimes you want to say मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, मैं चाहता हूँ. So I like to read. I like plus 2 first form. 2 plus first form. I like to read. I like to write. I like to improve my English spoken skills. I like to record video for my English learners. I like to speak English language daily. So I like to. I like to. I like to plus first form. I like to plus first form. Now coming towards the fourth one. This shows आप क्या चाहते हैं. I want to plus first form. I want to speak English daily. I want to improve my English spoken skills. I want to read a book. I want to write a page daily. So I want to. It means your desire. It means your desire. Now coming towards necessity. Sometimes you do not want. Sometimes you do not like. But you have to. because it is the urgent need of the time, it is the necessity, and it is your necessary part of your life, and you have to do whether you like or not. बाज़ औक़ात आपको करना पड़ता है, चाहे आप लाइक करें या ना करें. So I need to. The pattern, the system would be I need to plus first form. I need to work hard to get good marks. I need to speak English daily to improve my spoken skills. I need to read English language to strengthen my vocabulary. I need to listen English language. I need to strengthen my listening skills. Need to plus first form. Need to plus first form. Now coming towards another thing, future plans. This is very important. When you are in the company, when you are in the company of your friends, whether you are in the company of a social circle and you want to disclose your future plans. So what should be the pattern? What should be the pattern? What should be the system? The system says, I am going to plus first form. I am going to plan a meeting. I am going to visit the market tomorrow. I am going to read a book tomorrow. So future plans, I am going to. लेकिन बाज़ औक़ात आप कहते हैं कि आए ये काम करते हैं, जब दूसरों को सजेस्ट करते हैं, जब दूसरों को क्या कहते हैं, सजेस्ट. सो लेट्स plus first form. Let's learn this lesson. Let's speak together. Let's read this page. Let's listen this movie, or listen and watch this movie, or let's speak together to improve our spoken skills. Let's watch this movie. Let's visit the park. Let's go for a walk. So let's plus first form. Sometimes you say a polite request, natural. So let me plus first form. Let me speak, मुझे बोलने दो. Let me write, मुझे लिखने दो. Let me read, मुझे पढ़ने दो. Let me do this activity. Let me plus first form. Coming towards very important thing, आप बात कर कहते हैं ना, बड़ा मुनासिब वक्त है, बड़ा ही मुनासिब वक्त है ये काम करने का. It's high time to speak English language. It's high time to plus first form. It's high time to work on your spoken skills. It's high time to learn English language. It's high time. बड़ा अच्छा वक्त है, बड़ा हाई वक्त है, बड़ा सही मुनासिब वक्त है ये काम करने का. It's the high time to get good marks. It's the high time to do your hard work. So next 12th, बाज़ कहते हैं मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ, मुझे यकीन नहीं है. I am not sure about my results. I am not sure about my progress. I am not sure about this book, about the authenticity of this book. So sometimes you want to ask question. किसी से क्वेश्चन करना हो, डू यू नो दिस प्लेस, डू यू वॉन्ट दिस पिज़्ज़ा, डू यू प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म, डू यू प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म, डू यू लाइक टू रीड बुक, डू यू लाइक टू स्पीक, डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज डेली, डू यू रीड अ बुक डेली, और डू यू रीड अ पेज डेली, डू यू वॉच मूवीज, डू यू वॉच इंग्लिश मूवीज, डू यू वॉच फनी मूवीज. सो when you want to ask, जब आप सवाल करना चाहें तो do you plus first form. Now बात आप कहते हैं मुझे नहीं पता क्यों हुआ. I don't know why it happened. I don't know why plus the sentence, whether it is present tense, whether it is past tense. For past, second form. For present, first form. I don't know why it happened. I don't know why it is happening. Continuous tense is RM plus fourth form. I don't know what happened. I don't know when it happened. I don't know where it happened. So these are the 15 or 16 patterns which I have shared with you, and if you apply these patterns, you will see that now your path towards fluency is much easier than you have ever desired, because this is the goal. This is the right way to speak English language. You can work on your grammar skills with the passage of time. The very first thing is that how to articulate your different kinds of sentences, and sentences are based on different grammatical patterns. Follow these patterns and apply these patterns, and let me know in comment section that how would you find this video, because your suggestions are very valuable for me, and they are like just like the asset of my channel. So keep learning, keep smiling, and have a nice